Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we have fairly quiet weather out there this morning. We've seen some mid and upper level clouds move into the region, but all of that is going to come to an end here pretty shortly as we go into the evening hours tonight as a pretty significant storm system will be rolling through the Wallops area. We are expecting some pretty heavy rain amounts as that system moves through overnight into early tomorrow morning. Also seeing some gusty winds as well. Taking a look here at our current surface analysis, you can see this area of low pressure along the Gulf Coast. That's what's going to bring us our uh, rain and wind as we go throughout the next day or so. And also, we will see some cooler temperatures invade the region behind this system as it exits tomorrow. And seeing those cool temperatures really set up for us for the next several days as we go into next week. So what we have been seeing here with some mild temperatures for this time of year, the beginning of December, will quickly come to an end as we go through the next few days. Looking at our current conditions out there, just a little bit of mid and upper level cloudiness out there at 12,000 and 18,000 feet. We are seeing those overcast conditions. Winds out of the south southwest at 9 knots, temperature at 48 degrees, and our relative humidity at 57%. Taking a look at our infrared satellite, you can see those mid and upper level clouds streaming across the region, really not seeing any peaks of sunshine through that cloud layer, and we are expecting that general scenario to continue with those clouds thickening even more as we go into the evening and overnight hours tonight as the rain is expected to begin at that point in time. Looking at our radar, you can see a little bit of shower activity off to our south, a little bit off to our north as well into northern portions of Virginia. But for us, it looks like we'll remain dry throughout most of the day with those rain chances beginning during the early evening hours and really increasing with those chances as we get into the overnight hours tonight, where we should see those heavier rain bands move in to the region. Looking at our short range high resolution model here, you can see the model pretty much picking up on the rain staying out of the area throughout the afternoon today and into the evening hours. This is 7 o'clock tonight local time. You can see a few rain showers beginning to move into the area by the early evening. And then as we go into the overnight period into the 11 p.m. to midnight hour, we start to see some of those heavier rain bands moving into the area as well. We were thinking that we could see some lightning associated with these showers with some embedded thunderstorm activity, but it does look like most of the instability will remain south of the region. So our chance is pretty slim for seeing any embedded thunderstorm activity. It should just be a heavy rain event for us overnight tonight with those gusty winds picking up, especially as we go into the morning hours of Saturday. Looking at the progression of these rain showers for us overnight tonight, seeing heavy rain after midnight into the wee hours of the morning on Saturday. And as you can see here, Saturday morning around 5 a.m., moving into about a 7 o'clock hour in the morning, seeing those rain showers begin to move off the coast at that time. So it looks like most of the heavy rain will likely come to an end by early tomorrow morning, around 6 or 7 o'clock, with most of the rain out of here by noontime tomorrow, with the afternoon just seeing windy and partly sunny conditions. Taking a look here at our 24-hour weather risk chart, you can see quite a few hazards, especially as we get into the evening and overnight hours tonight. Could see some breezy winds this afternoon picking up close to those wind advisory criteria of 25 knots during the afternoon, but it does look like they'll die back down a little bit during the evening before picking up once again after midnight. Seeing the heavy rain chances as well after midnight tonight. Could see a couple of inches of rain by the time we're all said and done tomorrow morning. So this will be a pretty heavy rain event for us, especially during the overnight hours into the early portion of the day on Saturday. Temperatures will be quite mild today, looking at a high of around 60 degrees. Temperatures remaining in the 50s even into the upper 50s through the evening hours before we finally start to see that cool air begin to move in tomorrow morning early, seeing those temperatures falling into the upper 40s, maybe the low 50s during the morning and early afternoon hours of Saturday. But we should see those temperatures steady or slowly falling as we go throughout the day on Saturday, with those windy conditions making it feel quite cool out there. We will see the winds gusting up to around 35 to 40 miles per hour at times during the day on Saturday. We will see that rain coming to an end by the noontime hour, so the afternoon looking dry for us with those windy conditions continuing. Again, high of 51 with the temperature steady or slowly falling throughout the day. Saturday night, seeing partly cloudy and slightly breezy conditions with a low of 33. And for Sunday, we'll see partly cloudy, cool, and slightly breezy conditions. Again, that cool air does look to be settling into our region for the weekend, and then for the beginning of next week as well, as we'll get to on our extended forecast briefing here at 10 a.m. looking at those cool temperatures to continue, and maybe even a taste of winter on Monday as we see a shot of some snow showers for the Wallops region. That'll wrap it up for our short-term operation weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.